Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Swagbucks account and link it with your PayPal. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in swagbucks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Swagbucks. If you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password or use your social accounts to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you will see various different offers. Now, if you wish to add your Swagbucks account onto your PayPal, then there are two ways of doing this. You can either redeem your Swagbucks reward by going into the redeem option from the account icon at the top right and then choosing the PayPal method. You can also link your PayPal account onto your Swagbucks account by hovering over to your account icon at the top right and then clicking on Settings. Now, from the settings page, if you scroll down, you will see the link account option which says PayPal. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be asked to log into your PayPal account first. After logging into your PayPal account using your credentials, your PayPal account and Swagbucks will be linked. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your Swagbucks account onto PayPal. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.